pimp your ride. Hey Karen, you just been punked.
You watched it, guys.
Hey, you're the one who started it.
Hey, it was Shonda's idea. She don't have no freaking car. You can do this shit too.
Oh no, you didn't read it. It said you're next on there.
Oh yeah.
I saw it. Are you gonna do it?
I don't know yet. Oh, that's so good.
We could have been really mean and used the whole roll of saran wrap, but we didn't.
That was a lot of time.
I know.
When did you guys do that?